Hello everyone, I am Keith Ruther here with another help video for Build 5 Data Analysis and Design for Biologists. Today we're going to talk about DataHub, where we're going to do everything related to computing and R programming for this course. So we will access UCSD's DataHub, we will navigate our Jupyter notebook, we'll open RStudio, and we'll log off the system. And don't worry if you don't know what some of those things are, we will explain them thoroughly throughout the course in subsequent videos. So on this page, you will click on Login, choose your account. This is going to be anything you have on Google Suite, whether it's a personal account or a school account. You will want to choose your school account. And then it will bring up, once you've logged in successfully, to a few options, selecting your course environment. Now the list for you is likely going to look different than the list for me. I have a couple different Build 5 sections and some other instructor-only environments, but the one that you're going to want to choose lists Build 5 Winter 22 A00. So select that option, launch the environment. It'll take a little while for the server to start up. Sing your favorite song, and then it brings you to Jupyter Hub. Now this is an online notebook, essentially a cloud-based format for you to hold documents or really anything that you want to use for this course. Yours is going to be empty. I've been using mine, so you see a number of folders. In a subsequent video, we will talk about how to add folders, delete folders, move them, edit them, and so on. But for now, I just want to give you a quick rundown of what you see. There are a few tabs here at the top. Files, which is what we're looking at. The other tabs, running, clusters, assignments, courses, and announcements. All 5 of those you can ignore for this class. You're only really going to be using this Files tab. We'll talk later about these different files and why you would use them. But for now, the key is that you want to, say, open RStudio. And with this, you might have other options. You could open a terminal. You could create a text file. We'll see about creating new folders. You can do that all through here. One thing, though, that is important is there are 2 R options, R and RStudio. R is what's called base R. This is the original open source window, not very user-friendly, and I wouldn't recommend it to begin with. In fact, everything in this class, we are going to be using RStudio. So anytime you log on with this class and want to do something in R, you are going to click RStudio. Give it a little bit of time. It is getting set up. This is going to work well if you are on a Mac or a Chromebook or a PC, and it pops up right here what I was doing previously in my last R section. So you saw I was looking up some help files on Pearson's chi-squared test. I got a markdown file here called Cool R Tricks. Whatever you've been working on previously might already be here. A couple things I want to show you. This is not a deep dive into RStudio, but down here in the lower right, there's a Files tab, and you're actually going to see all the folders that were available in your Jupyter notebook. So this is a very easy way to open up files in RStudio that are located in your R notebook. Now, if you want to finish, you're all done, the easiest thing to do is go up here, you quit your current session, you close that window, and once you're closed with that, you can just close off your RStudio and you're back to your Jupyter Hub. Now with this, you need to do a couple things before you log off. Please remember to do that, it's incredibly important. First is hit Control Panel. You want to stop your server. You need to click it once and then click it again until you only see this Start My Server button. Once you've done that, click Log Out, and thank you so much, and I will see you in the next help video.